Hello students, today we will see how micropropagation of plant can be done through plant tissue culture technique. So let's first discuss about plant tissue culture. So plant tissue culture is an in vitro technique in which plant cells, tissue or organs are cultured on nutrient medium of known composition under aseptic and controlled conditions. Plant tissue culture is widely used to produce clones of a plant in a method known as micropropagation. By this method, new plants may be raised in an artificial medium from parts of plant like shoot tip, root tip, callus, seed, embryo, pollen grains, ovule, or even a single cell. Whether the cultured tissue develops into a plant or grows unorganized depends on the genetic potential of the tissue and the chemical and the physical environment. So plant tissue culture is based on the concept of totipotency. So totipotency is the ability of a single cell to divide and produce all of the differentiated cells in an organism. The beginning of the plant tissue culture was made by G. Habertland in 1902 when he cultured fully differentiated individual plant cells isolated from different tissue in several plant species. During 1934 to 40, due to discovery of importance of auxin, vitamin B, foundation of plant tissue culture was laid down by three scientists, namely Carteret, White, and Northcote. Good progress and rapid development occurred after 1940 in plant tissue culture techniques. Stewart and Reinhardt in 1959 first discovered somatic embryo production in vitro. Maheshwari and Guha in 1964 from India were the first to develop anther culture and pollen culture for the production of haploid plants. So there are different types of tissue culture. Number one is callus culture. Number two, organ culture. Under organ culture, meristem culture, bud culture, embryo culture, seed culture, anther or pollen culture, ovary culture, nucellus culture are there. Number three is cell culture. And number four is protoplast culture. Now let's come to the nutritional requirement for the plant tissue culture. Tissue culture requires some inorganic elements like sodium, potassium, phosphorus, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, copper, zinc, boron, sulfur for usual growth and development. These elements are added in the culture media in the form of mineral salts. Hydrogen is supplied in the form of water and oxygen as a gas. In the culture media, carbon is supplied as an organic form like sugar, amino acids, vitamins, growth hormones, and natural plant extract like coconut milk, various fruit juice are also required. In plant tissue culture, most widely used culture media is MS media.